about love. Like you and me all night, and let's talk about love.
Good morning, iFam. Welcome to day 3 overdue. Oh my gosh, I've got a feeling I'm going to be like in a week's time. Good morning, iFam. Welcome to day 11. I best not be, guys. I best not be. It's Friday. The girls have all gone off to school. Very happy this morning, especially Isla, who has Glee on a Friday, which is kind of like a singing and dancing club at school, and she absolutely loves it. She loves her teacher, she loves the class, and she gets to finish at 4 p.m. like Isabel and Esme, so me and Chris love it too. We get like an extra hour during the day, which funnily enough, even though it's only an hour, does actually make a really big difference. Anyway, got ourselves up and ready this morning. Chris has been out to the doctors because he's got a bit of tonsillitis. He suffers with tonsillitis so much but will not get them taken out. He just won't do it. He's too scared and he won't get them taken out. So he's been put onto some antibiotics, which is great because that's all we need when the baby could arrive at any moment. Hopefully they start working quickly. He's not feeling too bad, but he also has ulcers and things, so it makes it really difficult to talk and eat, etc, etc. I just got myself up and ready. I'm still feeling fine. Not really many twinges or anything like that. Have just been on my ball. I'm feeling so much like movement and like hard pushing and pressure and things like that, but nothing really new that I've not felt over the last couple of weeks. I'm just about to get my shoes on because I've got a few jobs I need to do this morning. I need to go to the post office and pick up a package that I'm so excited about. I ordered it not that long ago, just a few days ago, something for the baby, and I was really hoping it would arrive on time to bring him home from the hospital in, and I think it's that. So I'm going to pick that up any moment, and then I think I'll probably, I'm not sure, but you guys will be with me, so you guys will see what I'm doing for the rest of the day. Just got to the sorting office and picked up my parcel. And does anybody else feel their packages before they actually open them, just to like hold the suspense for a little bit more? I'm always like, ooh, could it be? Yeah, it could be. Anyway, let's see if it is what I'm expecting it to be. Yay! Oh my gosh, yes it is. So it's for car seats. And you know how you can't have babies in like big thick coats, like all-in-one coats when they're in car seats, just because they're not recommended, because then they tamper with the seat belt basically, and they pad the seat belt too much, so if he was in an accident, etc, etc, it wouldn't be safe. So these cocoons keep them nice and toasty and warm, but in a safe way, and they look so adorable. I kept seeing an advert on my Facebook pop up and also on my Instagram, and I was like, I need to order one of these. Oh, it's so thick and nice. Like I said before, guys, you never know what the weather's going to be like in March. Last week it was like the depth of winter here in the UK. This week it's not been too bad. It's actually been quite nice. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. So I'll show you how it works on the car seat a little bit later on. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed already. It looks so nice. Just got back home after also stopping off at Morrison's to pick up some ingredients for dinner tonight. If you didn't watch last Friday's video, Isabel came up with a suggestion that when Chris takes Esme and Isla swimming, me and her should do a cook with me type feature, and we're trying to cook something different each week, something we've never cooked before. Last week we made cheeseburger pasta, and I'm not even joking, at least 3 times this week Chris and the girls have asked me to make that again. Yeah. Excuse me, they absolutely loved it. It was just like a bolognese type thing with pasta and mince, but it kind of tasted like cheeseburger with the different ingredients I used. It was so good. Anyway, I'm not cooking mince or pasta this week. We're having a chicken, rice and vegetable dish, but it's going to be equally delicious. Chris is just, what are you actually doing?
Thumbnail for tonight.
Doing the thumbnail for tonight. I am just tucking into some pomegranate. I got myself a nice big tub of that last night and the girls polished it off. Isabel and Isla both loved it, so they ate that. And then I also bought me and Chris. Look how delicious this looks. Are you excited to eat this, babe?
Yeah, they look unreal.
We just got a car seat out of the car and this baby's travelling in style. Have you seen how squishy this thing is?
Yeah, it's real nice.
Look how padded it is. It's amazing. Right, so I think, not sure, but I think...
Is this like a sleeping bag to put inside of it?
yeah. I saw it on an advert and I thought, oh my gosh, they look so cosy. You just never know with the weather, do you, in the UK in March? Whether it's might be too warm, might be not.
Okay, we definitely need a live baby to try this out on. Oh, yeah, that was a really stupid thing to say. We need a dummy baby to try this. A live baby, so I'm gonna go grab Avia, Esme's doll. Right, Esme's doll. Avia, where are you?
Clearly not a live baby.
Oh, that's the name. Alicia was just upstairs. I was like, I can't remember the name. I'm such a bad dad. Esme would kill me. What's up, Alicia?
Oh, look how... Oh my gosh, you're gonna have a real one of these in a few days.
Do you think it'll be as big as Alicia?
It's gonna be a beast. Have you seen how big I am? I've just realised as well, it's got
That's cozy.
like a 5-point harness, you know, for you can use it on prams as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Which is cool. So let's have a look.
That looks like something you need in the depths of winter.
This is gonna be so warm and go different. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Be a good little boy now.
Pretty sure.
That's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, I'm pretending it's our baby. Get into the role.
Yeah, that's cute.
So this is really cute. Obviously it might be a bit too hot in cars in this weather, but if we use the car seat on the pram when we're out and about and it's a cold day,
yeah,
this will be perfect.
What's up with you, man? You're so full of beans today. We need to take you for a big walk and tire you out, right? So this dog is way too full of energy, so I'm gonna put on my freestyles and I'm gonna head down for a walk with her and try and tire her out before it's school home time.
Little Isla just got home from school.
Well, from Glee and school.
Yeah. Isla, look how cute this looks. Come here. Come here. Go, 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 go. How cute does that look?
Is that Esme's baby?
Yes. So if we're ever out and about and we use the car seat on the pram and it's cold day, little baby Egbert will be in there, all snuggled up. How cute is that?
Oh, it's so cute. And you're like putting it up to you.
Yeah. Well, if we use it in the car, because obviously it won't be cold in the car, then you can do it like that, so that it's not too hot. Don't you think it's super sweet?
Oh wait, this is not, no, this is
Alicia. Yeah, that's right. Then when we get out the car, we can snuggle in warm if it's a cold day.
Hi guys, I've just got back from school and I'm just about to do some homework. Dad and the girls have just left to go to swimming and I'm about to crack on with some homework which I got tonight. Also guys, comment down below how your day has gone. I've been at school all day, I've had a really good day. And that's pretty much it. I didn't really have an amazing day, it was just a normal day at school. Anyway, I'm about to crack on with some homework now. So I've just finished writing up all my homework that I had for school. And I think that I'm about to go downstairs and help Mum cook some dinner, because every Friday night me and Mum have decided that while Dad and the girls have gone out to swimming, that me and Mum are going to do a really fun like cooking session sort of thing, where we're going to cook a new meal every Friday that we haven't tried out yet. I think we're having a chicken dish tonight, I'm not really sure, but I'm about to go downstairs and help Mum make dinner. Also guys, what are you thinking about this new top? Mum bought me this jumper thing the other day and it says sassy in it in pink camo and black, and I think it looks so cool. Okay, Mum.
Yeah.
Are you ready to do our cooking? Yay!
Yes.
I'm so excited.
I literally was just sat here cutting up the onion, Isabel.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what she said, guys. She said, oh my gosh, it's killing my eyes.
Oh yeah.
No wonder vampires don't like it. I think you might be getting a little bit mixed up between an onion
and a garlic.
and a garlic. Izzy's just making the chicken
Oh, Mum, I don't think I
stock.
filled it up enough.
Oh no!
Mum.
It'll be fine. It'll just be strong chicken stock. It's only about,
So like a...
oh no, it's about 100 ml actually. Oh no, it's fine. No, we're okay. Give that a good mix.
There is nothing like the smell when you get out of your car and your whole driveway just smells like amazing food.
When you get out your car and you're thinking, oh, I wish that was my house that smelled like that.
Yeah, then it is.
On a Friday night.
And then I walk in and it actually is my house that smells that good. It smells so nice in here. I don't know what's going on, but it looks really good.
Added, because we haven't filmed it yet, so might as well look on your camera. We've just added cream cheese and chicken stock to our onion and garlic and some dried tomatoes, and it's smelling.
I can't not. How long have I got till it's ready?
15 minutes. We need it to simmer for with the chicken.
Nice. I'm actually gutted as well because I don't know if you guys can see the colour's so bad on this camera right now. This is my big DSLR that I use, the Canon 80D. And for the last couple of nights, the colour's been like this. And it shouldn't be like this. It should be complete crystal white, clear, bright colour, and it's not. It's yellow and orange. And it looks really bad. I think my camera might be broke.
You actually look like Rambo right now, Isla. You play me a baby. Which one's that? Phoebe.
Yeah.
Phoebe. You're getting her all dressed and ready for Friday night chill.
Yeah.
We've got Esme up there with all her babies.
We're all committed and oh, this is actually Pretty's time, but they were like.
Yeah, someone sent us that, didn't they, for our little Prinny? That's a lot of babies.
Why?
Maybe me looking at all your babies will make our baby come out. Everyone's desperate.
I have to do it on tonight. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we do have to do that tonight.
Well, I found Alicia in the babies.
What? So I figured.
Okay.
Okay.
So I found Mummy when I came from school. Poor Alicia, she actually looked really comfortable. But Alicia
Yeah.
was in the baby's car seat.
She was trying out a blanket. She was very, very, very good at being a little model baby for us today. Whoa, Avia's looking cool.
I know, she's like...
Sup, Avia? Sassy.
She's my oldest, but she looks the youngest.
She actually does, doesn't she?
Alicia looks the old. I think she needs to go back for a clean up. She looks a bit
Need to give her a good wash.
These two are best friends and them two best
They're very
friends.
cute.
They've got the same colour hair. They've got the same colour.
Did you girls have fun swimming?
Yeah!
Yeah, and are you hungry? Because I think dinner is pretty much ready. Here is the final product. Izzy, I think we did a good job today.
I think we did a good job.
I think we did a good job. This
Yeah.
looks delicious. We did just taste the sauce on the chicken. We've got chicken, rice and veg, and the sauce is very cheesy.
Very cheesy, but the aftertaste is like, ooh, very nice.
Delicious. Okay, ready to
I
go?
reckon, yeah.
Thank you. Well, that was whoa, you're being scary, Knuckles.
Don't you forget it.
That was delicious, and we all got to sit and have an audience whilst we were eating our dinner tonight.
So me and the girls have just come upstairs, are we in focus? Because we've just finished up with dinner. It was so good, wasn't it, girls?
Yeah.
It was so good. Even though it was a bit cheesy, it was really good. Anyway, we're all coming upstairs because the girls are a little bit hyper right now. So I just said to the girls, and the girls said to me, please can we be silly? And I said, yeah, we can be silly for a little bit because we haven't done it in ages. So they just come to me and they're very hyper right now. So we're gonna have some silly time.
All clean and done. What's up, dudes?
Hi!
How's it going?
Good!
What are you guys doing?
Daddy, I'm making a school about a craft. Daddy, I've got a superhero book.
A superhero book. That's so cool, man.
I love this song.
I've heard you guys singing lots and lots of songs up here since I've been
know.
washing up. I took this one for a massive run earlier to try and get all this energy out of her because she's so full of it. But it's not worked, man. And she's back to being devil dog. She's just a little puppy still. Brinny, where have you gone, man? Oh, there you are. Come here. What have you got? Where you going, man?
She loves that so much.
Anyway, girls, who wants their bad news or the good news first? Which one?
Bad
The bad
news.
news is.
Bad news, it's bedtime and it's time to clean up. The good news is if you get cleaned up and do it good, you can watch a bit of telly in bed.
Yay!
Okay?
Yeah.
Fun fact of the day, guys. This time, 7 years ago, in Isla's pregnancy, Sarah was at the hospital right now, about to get induced at 3 days and something overdue.
Yeah, I was. Oh my gosh, I'm so uncomfortable.
Man.
So uncomfortable right now.
She's not having a good night tonight. Anyway, that is everybody getting ready for bed right now. And we're going to do the same and say good night.
We're watching Baptiste.
Baptiste. Yeah, on your recommendations, we're watching Baptiste.
It's not on Netflix.
No, it's on BBC iPlayer, but we need some more recommendations, guys. We always need recommendations. I feel like we watched everything on Netflix, so we need some really good suggestions. Because if not, my nights just suck so bad.
No, I've got something else we can watch after we finish Baptiste, actually.
Okay, cool. But I had something else to tell you guys, but I'm trying to remember what it was now. Oh yeah, right, everybody, including me, including all of Ireland and the girls' teachers, have all bet Saturday is going to be the day. So you never know. Maybe there'll be a vlog tomorrow night. No, there will be a vlog tomorrow night because that's this one.
There'll be a vlog every night anyway. We're not missing a night.
No, you're right. We're not missing a night. We're not them vloggers. We're them vloggers that get them vlogs out. Even when people are in labour, we'll have that vlog out to you guys on time as well. On time.
We hope.
But keep an eye out because you never know. Tomorrow might be the day on social media, Instagram, etc., etc. Might be the day. You just never know. But Ingham Family is 7. It could be tomorrow. You never know. We've said that every day this week, but...
It's probably getting really boring saying that now.
Yeah, so guys, my bad. But anyway, we're going to say goodnight. My battery's flashing red right now, which is telling me I need to shut up and get off and go. So that's what I'm going to do. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Good night, guys.
Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget. And we'll see you tomorrow night at 5 PM. Good night, guys.